Are you ready to discover the first-to-market solution with proprietary LSM technology, which not only gives you direct access to the flood of free buyers' traffic to any link of your choice, but also skyrockets the number of followers and subscribers on your social accounts by leveraging billions of combined Instagram and TikTok active users? If so, I'm about to show you how you can go around Instagram and TikTok limits and leverage your viewers the way you have never thought was possible. And because LSM technology does all the heavy lifting for you, it is mathematically almost impossible for you to not get any likes, shares, followers, subscribers, and most importantly, traffic to any link you want. Plus, you'll be able to use the underground growth hack the top influencers use to cross-grow their other social media accounts, YouTube channels, and more. And don't worry, it doesn't include you doing anything taxing or tiresome or boring or lame. Because of our proprietary LSM technology, anyone can sell products, make affiliate commissions, and grow their other social media followers and channel subscribers by just using a single link placed on Instagram and TikTok profiles. Instagram and TikTok have become the best social media platforms for getting all kinds of free traffic. From casual viewers to engaged fans to potential buyers and everyone in between, the path to true success on Instagram and TikTok is to give every category of viewers what they want. And if you try to push things people don't want, they'll push back and just leave, and then you're left with zero. So, showing the same link to everybody is not going to work. And it's one of the main reasons why people fail to succeed on Instagram and TikTok. Your goal is to squeeze as much as you can from each and every person who views your content, no matter what they want. And while you want to cash in on buyers, you should also be leveraging and benefiting from those people who do not buy. You want those non-buyers to build your other social following and channel subscriber numbers and get them on the list without forcing the opt-in page into everyone's face. The problem is that without the high-tech automated tool, you just cannot do it. And that's one of the main reasons that holds you back from success on Instagram and TikTok. Now here's the deal. Right now, you can really have only a single link in your profile on Instagram and TikTok, right? And this is clearly a huge problem because there's no way a single link fits everybody's interests. It means complete lack of any kind of control and makes it impossible for people to choose what they want. What fits a casual viewer is not right for an engaged fan, and what fits fans is definitely not what you want to show to buyers. And on top of all that, different buyers want to buy different things. So, also, if you're an affiliate marketer, how are you even going to make frequent affiliate promotions for various products without alienating your viewers and followers? Alienating people is the fastest way to fail on Instagram and TikTok, and that's exactly what could happen to you if you push offers to anybody who touches your link. No matter how good your content is, the sad reality is that with a single profile link, you're losing big. You're losing sales, you're losing on other social account followers, you're losing on YouTube channel subscribers, and on top of that, you're alienating the very people who can give your content the viral spread and the algorithmic boost. Bottom line is that with a single link, you're wasting most of your traffic and potentially pushing your account into the fabled Instagram and TikTok abyss. After facing that problem myself, I knew that there had to be a better way, and the LinkSeam idea was born. Hi, it's Robert, and today I'm going to share with you a software called LinkSeam, which I've been involved with for the past 9 months. And it is solving the biggest problem everyone on Instagram and TikTok has, which is having a way around a single link limit to boost sales and skyrocket the number of your followers and YouTube subscribers. LinkSeam is designed to enable every visitor to choose what they want by themselves. As simple as that. And this is the very underground growth hack that top influencers use to cross-grow their followers on other social media accounts and YouTube channel subscribers and other things. And the concept is simple. If you know HTML, you could do it manually by spending endless hours on creating and updating link hub pages, but there are better ways you can spend your time. LinkSeam is a cloud-based software which harnesses all your visitors and enables them to choose what they want by seaming a single link to a mobile-optimized, attractive-looking link hub page with multiple options for them to touch on. And it can literally send you results soaring sky high. So just imagine what you can do with the incoming traffic after you have LinkSeam access. Do you want to have an email list built automatically for you? Do you want to automatically earn commissions from affiliate offers? Do you want to sell your own products? Do you want to sell online courses? Do you want to cross-grow the number of followers on your other social media accounts? Or maybe you want to grow your YouTube channel and boost the rankings of your YouTube videos. How about all of the above at the same time? Whatever you want, LinkSeam both gives you full control and enables people to choose what they want. It's a win-win for you and for viewers, and a clear path to Instagram and TikTok success. And so I have a quick question for you. Do you want to take advantage of this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity or let the competition steal your share? And if you answered yes to the opportunity, you're going to love LinkSeam. LinkSeam was created by the same team of developers who brought to the market multiple bestseller-winning apps, and because they worked under the supervision of professional marketers, the results are absolutely incredible. Plus, because of LSM technology, LinkSeam outperforms in every aspect for overwhelmingly impressive results. I'm here to say that I don't know of anybody else who's thought of this for you. Now let me tell you how LinkSeam works in 3 easy-to-follow steps. Are you ready? Step 1, add the links you want people to choose from. Step 2, customize the look. And step 3, copy-paste the link to your Instagram and TikTok profile. That is it. Those 3 steps is all it takes for you to have a stunning link hub page producing amazing results for you. LinkSeam is super easy to use, no tech skills are necessary. And you'll be comfortable using LinkSeam after the first 15-minute session. Not only are LinkSeam link hub pages super easy to make, but they look stunning right out of the box. And on top of that, you can make those pages even more alluring and unique with effortless customization technology. You can have your own favicon and profile images, change font style, the color, size, and even animate both the title and the buttons. For the page background, you can upload your own image, choose a custom skin color, or select from over 50 done-for-you gradient color palettes. And you can also choose cool button design options from like a rectangle to round it, to outline, and even add animation effects like pulse, flash, and others. Animated buttons are especially useful if you run special promotions for your own products or for affiliate offers to catch the buyer's attention. And while links to offers is a great way to make automated sales, LinkSeam gives you an additional and even more effective way to sell on social media. It is responding to buyer messages with an offer info and a link. While scrolling through Facebook or other news feeds, you probably already saw people's posts with just the product benefits description, but without the link to an offer or even the product name, right? The only way you can get info about the product from such posts is to message the poster to get a reply with product information and a link. It may seem strange on the first view, but there's a great reason behind that curiosity-building tactic. And that reason is that people are much more likely to buy if they engage in direct communication with you. And this, friends, is where LSM technology shines even more. Not only can you link over 10 messenger apps, but when a buyer touches the button, it will automatically open your chosen messenger app on their phone so the buyer can directly message you right there and then. Now, how powerful is that for sales? Supported messenger apps include Facebook, Messenger, Skype, WhatsApp, Telegram, and others. LSM technology can also automatically open an email app on the buyer's phone and even let the buyer call the number you want. There are many pay-per-call affiliate programs out there which pay great commissions for just the calls, even if people do not buy anything on those calls. LinkSeam allows you to add touch-to-call buttons alongside regular buttons to boost your results even further. It can even allow your prospects to directly message you on platforms like Twitch, Medium, SoundCloud, Spotify for maximum reach. And the bottom line is that LinkSeam's LSM technology helps you boost sales by automatically opening messaging apps on the buyer's phone at a touch of the button, which gives you a direct communication channel to sell anything. And on top of boosting your sales and commissions, one of the most powerful LinkSeam benefits is the ability to turn non-buyers to both followers for your social media accounts and subscribers for your YouTube channel. It both makes it easier to reach those people with new content and helps you rank your content higher. It could also be the easiest path there is for your content to go viral. And you know by now, the more followers and subscribers you have, your content ranks higher and is shown more often. And that's exactly what LinkSeam can do for you. Not only does it allow you to add other social networks and YouTube channels touchable icons to your link hub page, but it can automatically open apps for them with your content inside. Just imagine how many new followers and subscribers you can get on autopilot if you get LinkSeam today. With LinkSeam, you can grow your social reach across platforms, sell your own products or services, and get commissions from affiliate offers all at the same time. You can even add your Patreon account so that you can sell your content and build recurring income starting from just the touch of a LinkSeam button. LinkSeam pages are designed for mobile rendering and responsiveness, so they work flawlessly on the phones and load super fast. And after you generated the LinkSeam page, all you need to do is copy and paste a link to your Instagram or TikTok profile and you are done. And of course, nothing stops you from posting that link also on your other social media profiles and Facebook pages if you want to. LinkSeam pages are securely hosted on our servers, and you don't have to pay anything extra for web hosting. You don't even need your own domain name, but you can use one if you want. You can add your own domain or subdomain to make your LinkSeam pages look even more professional than they already are. LSM technology goes beyond even all that. It allows you to kill the losing buttons too. It is possible because the LinkSeam gives you stats not only for all the touches on each button, but also the percentage of touches versus total views of the page. And this is very powerful because you want to change or delete the buttons showing lower touch percentage than the others to maximize your results. And last but not least, LinkSeam gives you the full power to choose to retarget all the visitors to your link hub page from one of the 9 most popular platforms. And it's common knowledge that the best performing ads are the retargeting ads. And if you ever ran paid ads, you already know that they are performing the best for you. Now, if you ever wanted to start using paid ads, but you did not know where to start to maximize your profits, the best way is to go for the lowest hanging fruit with the retargeting ads. LinkSeam allows you to add tracking pixels for Facebook, Google AdWords, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Bing, Quora, and AdRoll, so you can choose your favorite one and make it happen. LinkSeam is a cloud-based tool, and that means that you don't have to install or download it. Instead, all you have to do is log in, add the links you want people to choose from, customize the look, and copy and paste the link to your Instagram and TikTok profile. You'll be amazed at how easy and how quick and how beautiful it is. LinkSeam puts you back in the driver's seat by letting you add your new offers, your headlines, discounts, flash sales, latest posts, and much more. And you can use LinkSeam to build a list, sell info products, offer services, promote affiliate offers, and skyrocket the number of followers and subscribers on your other socials accounts. And you'll also get to view complete stats and performance of individual links, buttons, and social platform insights. Plus, you can retarget anyone who touches on a link from 9 different platforms for maximum profits from your ads. All the details are below. So, go right ahead, click the Get LinkSeam button right now and get on the way to starting getting the results from Instagram and TikTok that you never thought you could get. Hey, I just can't wait to see how much profit you make and how many new followers and subscribers you get. On top of LinkSeam, as a time-sensitive bonus, we're including a second app added right to your dashboard, which we might sell separately later. It's a custom link shortener app, which is a complete solution for branded links generation. You can easily rebrand your affiliate links, any custom link of your choice, ad tracking, and even retargeting pixels to it. And because of that, you can create different targeting based on which people touched on which link. So you can convert anyone who touches on your link into targeted custom audience on 9 ad platforms: Facebook, Google Ads, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and more. And there are standalone services out there offering just custom link shorteners for a monthly fee, but for a limited time, you have this included with LinkSeam as a bonus, which is easily worth $97 by itself. As an additional time-sensitive bonus, you'll also get an upgrade to LinkSeam version 2 for free, plus on top of that, early beta access to that upgrade before it is released to the general public. So if you get LinkSeam today, you'll not only get LinkSeam version 2 upgrade for free, but you'll also get the early beta access on top of it. That's a $497 value. The total value of those 2 bonuses, $594. And due to the extraordinary value of the bonuses, we're offering them for a limited time only, and it means that this time-sensitive bonus offer may be removed at any time without notice. And it could be gone as soon as tomorrow. So make sure you get it now while it's still available. LinkSeam is designed to bring you buyers, no matter if it means buyers for your own or affiliate products or buyers for your services. And it's also designed to maximize your benefits from non-buyers by converting them into followers and subscribers on your other social media accounts and YouTube. Hey, to put it bluntly, LinkSeam is a Lamborghini of Instagram and TikTok link automation, and it can be yours today, right now. Now, the only question you may have left is, how much is all of this going to cost me? And although it would be easy to charge a $97 signing fee and then $37 a month for LinkSeam, we're not going to do that. And because we want to build a strong initial early adopter user group and get raving testimonials before we start charging regular prices, we're doing something quite extraordinary, which means that we're not going to charge you $97 signing fee and $37 a month, not even $27 a month. First, we will totally waive the joining fee, and then we'll replace the subscription by heavily discounted one-time only payment. And that means that if you get access today, you are getting both an instant massive savings and you don't have to pay for it ever again. All you need to do to become the LinkSeam founding member is to click the button below and get it. Your access will be created immediately, and you'll find everything waiting for you inside. You can get access to LinkSeam today by clicking the big Get LinkSeam button below. Oh, and of course, you're fully protected by our no questions asked 30-day promise. We're so extremely confident that you'll love LinkSeam that we'll let you take it for a full 30-day test drive. You'll love it. And if you're not fully satisfied for whatever reason, just contact us and we'll be more than happy to give you every penny back. But we already know that you're going to absolutely love LinkSeam. Go ahead, the button is right below this video. Grab your copy today. Lucky for you, LinkSeam is going to give you the unfair advantage over your competition. Grab your copy of LinkSeam today, and we'll see you on the other side.